Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be talking about my top favorite toners. I'm going to be talking about 5 toners that is easily available in the Indian market. If you're someone looking out to buying a toner for yourself, then you've landed in the right video. Keep watching to know more about what toners that I love currently. And also please don't forget to like this video, share, comment, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell notification so that you get notified every single time I upload any video. Without much further delay, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, let me explain you the benefit of using a toner. A toner basically is used to balance the pH level. Whenever you use a soap or a face wash onto your face, the alkaline nature of the soap, it changes the pH level on your skin. To balance that out, you use a toner and then proceed with a moisturizer. Also, toners help in closing open pores on your skin. With that being said, please continue watching my top 5 favorite toners that I currently use. So the first toner that I'm going to be talking about is very cost efficient. You can make batches and batches of this, and the only thing that you need to buy is an apple cider vinegar bottle, an organic apple cider vinegar bottle. Hold up, let me get my apple cider vinegar that I'm currently using. So the apple cider vinegar that I'm currently using is from the brand Scent Botanica. This is the organic apple cider vinegar. This is the raw unfiltered version. Make sure to buy the unfiltered raw pure version of apple cider vinegar. For this you need to kind of take a small amount, probably 1/4 of apple cider vinegar and 3/4 of water, and use a spray bottle, empty spray bottle like this. I've reused this Plum green tea revitalizing face mist spray bottle that I completely emptied out to store my ACV toner. I mixed in 3/4 of water and 1/4 of this apple cider vinegar. It has so many benefits. It's so good for your skin, and this is such a great toner if you want to, if you're like acne prone or something like that. This is so good. ACV can be used in multiple ways, one of which is using it as a toner. So this is my first pick for you guys. So the second pick is the Plum toner. This is the Plum green tea alcohol free toner. It comes in a 200 ml bottle, and this retails for about 399 rupees or something, but you can get it on a discounted price for about 239 or something like that. And this is a great toner. I've been using this for years and I've been repurchasing this again and again. I keep going back to this toner no matter how many toners launch in the market. So this is so good. It's very gentle on the skin. It's very refreshing and so good. So this is my second pick for toner. And my third pick is a recent discovery that I've been using for quite some time now. This is the Kaya Purifying Toner with Mandelic Acid for oily and combination skin. I personally have combination skin, and this is a great refreshing toner, and it also comes in a spray bottle. You can just spritz this on your face, leave it on for 2 to 3 minutes until it gets soaked up nicely into your skin, and then move on with your moisturizer. So this comes in a spray bottle, smells great, it's very refreshing, very effective, and this is my third pick, and I love this toner. I've been using this constantly every single day. I would say like every other day at least. So that is my third pick for toner. And my fourth pick would be this Dr. Sheet's Gulab and Glycolic toner. So everybody knows that you can use rose water as a toner. This is also that sort of a toner that contains rose water, and it also has glycolic acid. Glycolic acid basically is very good if your skin is acne prone. So do give this one a shot. It smells great. It again comes in a spray bottle. The only con I would say is that this is quite pricey for a very little quantity. This is probably 50 ml, and it's kind of pricey for that. So this also has niacinamide. I did not know that. Anyways, so this is a great toner. If you're looking out for a high-end sort of a toner, then you can definitely buy this. But this small bottle, it was quite pricey, I guess. I'll leave the prices and all that on the screen or in the description box below. Don't forget to check that out. And yeah, this is a very good toner, and it smells exactly right like roses. Yeah, it does smell exactly like roses, and so good. And my last pick for toners would be definitely this Good Vibes clarifying toner. You have like tons of variants. The one that I have now is avocado. My favorite one has got to be the rose one. I've also tried neem and tulsi one, and I also have the argan oil toner that I would use after this gets over. I've completely used up 2 or 3 bottles of this toner, and this is the avocado one. It's so good. It's like priced so nicely. It's just 175 rupees and you get so much quantity. It comes in a spray bottle. It's so refreshing on the skin, especially the rose one smells exactly like roses, and you feel so refreshed and nice when you apply that onto your skin. You can also pour it a little bit on a cotton pad and use it to pat it onto your skin, or you can directly spritz this. I use it by spritzing this on my face and leaving it for about 2 to 3 minutes until it dries up completely, and then move on with my moisturizer. Any which ways, this is a great budget friendly option. You get tons of variants. There are a lot more variants than the ones that I've mentioned in this video. Go check it out, and this is available on purplle.com. The others are available on Nykaa as well, and this one is exclusively available only on purplle.com. Pick it up. It's a very good toner. Good Vibes as a brand itself is doing amazingly well. It provides so many different kinds of products with so many variants at a very cheap, affordable price, and also it does its job. So do check this one out. This is like my top favorite toner. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up, please share, please comment, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time in my next video. Until then, take care. Tata, bye bye.